horror story that's emerged from the state of Tamil Nadu, a cold-blooded murder of a political leader. Let's dive right into the story that we have. A Madras High Court hearing is currently underway, wherein a petition has been filed by slain BSP leader K Armstrong's wife, seeking permission to bury his body at the party office in Chennai. Yes, this is the murder case that we are speaking about of the BSP, Tamil Nadu BSP president, in fact, which is K Armstrong, and his cold-blooded murder right on Friday night. And this was right in the middle of Tamil Nadu, in the heart of Tamil Nadu in Chennai, wherein meanwhile the BSP chief Mayawati has already left to travel for Chennai, and she will pay her respects to the party's Tamil Nadu chief K Armstrong, who was brutally murdered by unidentified assailants near his residence in Perambur, Chennai. Now, BSP's national coordinator Akash Anand also travelled to Chennai earlier today to honour the slain party leader. These are the latest visuals that we are bringing to you from Perambur. On Saturday, Greater Chennai Police Commissioner Sandeep Rai Rathore announced that 8 suspects have been apprehended in connection with Armstrong's murder. This includes Suresh's brother himself, Ponai V. Balu, D. Ramu, K. Thiruvengatam, S. Thirumalai, D. Selvaraj, G. Arul, K. Manivanan, and J. Santosh. Now, who was K. Armstrong and why was he murdered? K. Armstrong was murdered in the retaliation for the killing of a gangster, Arcot Suresh, in August last year, as per the preliminary reports of the police. He was Tamil Nadu BSP president, K. Armstrong. He was an advocate and a former councillor of the Chennai Corporation as well. Back in 2006, he fought for the body polls and won as an independent candidate. Then he gained prominence after inviting the ex-UP Chief Minister Mayawati in a rally, and that is where his association with the Bahujan Samaj Party started. 2007, he was appointed as the president of the BSP Tamil Nadu unit, and 2011 again, he contested the assembly polls from Kolatur constituency, but this time as a part of the BSP. However, he lost the elections to DMK's MK Stalin, and this has been his political trajectory, his political career. What happened on Friday night? Friday night, Armstrong was chatting with his friends and supporters near his house when the assailants attacked him with machetes and sickles. His friends fled and his family members rushed to the scene on hearing his cries. They found him lying in a pool of blood with injuries to his head and neck. He was taken to a private hospital in the city where doctors pronounced him to be dead. Now, BSP chief Mayawati has demanded the ruling Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, which is the DMK government, to punish the guilty. She condemned the murder, describing it as highly deplorable and condemnable. Mayawati, in fact, highlighted Armstrong's role as a strong Dalit voice in Tamil Nadu, urging the state government to take swift action. Meanwhile, as you could just a little while back see on your screens, Chief Minister MK Stalin also posted on social media platform X and expressed his condolences over the shocking incident. He said, and I quote, "Bahujan Samaj Party State President Mr. Armstrong's assassination is shocking and deeply saddening. The police arrested those involved in the murder overnight. I want to convey my deepest condolences to Armstrong's party, family, relatives and friends. I've ordered the police to conduct an inquiry into the case expeditiously and bring the culprits to justice as per law." These are the latest that we are bringing to you with regards to this particular story, a shocking story rather that's come to the fore. With that, let's cut across to our colleague Mohammed Wajiullah, who is joining us on the broadcast to help us understand the recent updates and take us through what's happening in Tamil Nadu currently. Waji, a very good morning to you. Earlier, we learned that Mayawati has left from Delhi to Chennai to pay her respects to the party president of Tamil Nadu. Take us through the latest updates as to what exactly is going on in Chennai. So currently, we also know that the hearing is underway in the Madras High Court with regards to Armstrong's burial. Any update on that front so far with regards to where the case is headed?
Armstrong had put a petition for the burial of the body at the BSP office, but then Justice Bhavani had said that it's not feasible to bury Armstrong at the BSP office because the road leading to the office is very narrow and it may cause a lot of inconvenience, and the area is also residential also. Therefore, then the AAG Attorney General proposed three alternative places for the burial and said that then later on they can have another stub at the party office. So far, the family is in consultation whether they have time till 12 o'clock to decide on what they will do, whether they'll take three alternative places that have been given by the government with regards to the burial of this. The Attorney General also said that it's not feasible to bury the body at the BSF office because it is just a 2,000 square feet land and it is choco-block with a lot of buildings around it and a lot of residential area. They've given them a land which is 1.5 kilometers from the BSP office, and they've said that if they want, they can bury the body of their loved ones over there. They have given them time till 12 o'clock because the amount of people who have come in protest since the death of Armstrong has also shocked a lot of people in Chennai. A lot of people have come forward demanding justice for Armstrong, and they believe that if these many people are there at the burial, then we could have another Hathras kind of a situation where people will have, well, there would be a massive stampede. To avoid all of this, a proposal has been given and a time till 12 o'clock has been given. The family will respond by then, and then it will move forward as to where they will bury the deceased Armstrong.
Also help us understand, so far what we have learned is that 8 arrests have been made. Now, compared to the CCTV footage that had revealed this entire incident, in fact, play out, what do we know so far with regards to the investigation? Are there more people who are being hunted down who were involved in this particular criminal act?
Well, yes, more than 8 people have been arrested, but police is interrogating and questioning a lot of other people who could be prime witnesses at the spot when this happened. As we know, Armstrong was talking to his friends and colleagues near his house when suddenly a lot of people attacked him, and we saw these things in the visuals also.
Waji, let me just interrupt you for a second there. I'll come back to you to finish that entire thought. But right now, on your screens, ladies and gentlemen, this is the live visuals that we are bringing to you of BSP Chief Mayawati having reached Chennai. She is in fact there, as we mentioned earlier in the day. She left from Delhi already to pay her respects to the party president in Tamil Nadu, which is K Armstrong, who was murdered brutally. These are the live shots that we are bringing to you of the BSP chief having reached Tamil Nadu now, in Chennai in fact specifically, where she is to pay respects. Currently, the body has been kept at the Corporation School ground in Perambur, and the court case is also underway. The hearing is also underway in the Madras High Court with regards to where exactly shall the body be buried. As our colleague was also mentioning, the entire complications and intricacies with this entire case. We'll take you through what exactly are the judgments, but right now let's just cut across to Waji once again to understand more with regards to the investigation which is currently underway. Yes, Waji, please continue.
Well, so yeah, I was saying that
as you were mentioning, the number of culprits, yes, we can hear you.
Yeah.
The number of culprits, yeah.
Yes, 8 people have been arrested, and like we saw in the CCTV footage how he was chased and he was also hacked to death by these people. Now, what the police so far believe that the murder was reportedly carried out in retaliation to another murder that happened a week back, which was the killing of gangster Arcot Suresh, and it was in retaliation, and they believe that murder of Suresh was carried on the behest of Armstrong, and that is where they retaliated by killing Armstrong. Now, the people who have been arrested, they're close to 8 people, which are Ponnani Bala, Ramu, Trivendram, Tirumalai, Selvaraju, Manivandan, Santosh and Arul. And these are all been apprehended based on the mobile tower locations, their bike registration and
right.
that have been found there.